Third-party internet security providers like Norton does need to have access to information in our phones for their screening. How safe are these installations in our mobiles? So this organization has actually gotten this third party, which is an internet security, to provide the service.
Okay. Yeah, this is an interesting question. Normally, such services is subscription based. Before you install the software, either the end user or the company has already a contract with the company, the vendor. So what happens is, when they have such contract, if really have any issue, actually you can brought up to the law, you can sue them or whatever, or they have a support line for you to call and then to report. Yes, such software I know of is for Android phones is more particular, because what happens is you are allowed to install anything outside from the Play Store as well without being so-called jailbreak or rooted. So normally companies will advise Android phones to install antivirus. Then the antivirus will ask for access to the storage. They need to access the system files to scan whether is there malicious code. If you don't grant them this basic access, they can't function. But what happens is, if the Norton internet security software, it asks for permissions such as camera and microphone, it's not the scope of the software, then that is excessive.
I guess to add on as well, when you're doing due diligence, right, on a third-party vendor, remember, TPOs, we've talked about this before as well, do your due diligence, ask them questions as well. If you're concerned about their security, ask them how do they protect personal data, ask them what kind of permissions do they require and how do they protect these permissions as well, right? So the due diligence is very important before you sign on the dotted line, and make sure that it's not just a quotation, you have a proper contract in place, right? With roles and responsibilities in there as well that you can fall back on.
For more data protection resources, visit www.dpexnetwork.org, the Data Protection Excellence Network, and sign up for free as a member to have full access to all content. Do also like and follow us on Facebook and LinkedIn if you found this useful.